The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, comes into effect on the 25th of May 2018. There is a lot of misinformation and scaremongering regarding this area. So, here at Protecture, we aim to give you a brief overview of the GDPR, myth bust some of the misinformation, and give you a few ideas of what you can do to prepare for the new regulation. The GDPR is similar to the Data Protection Act 1998, but with fangs. It is much tougher, meaning yesterday's gold star is today's bare minimum. Some of the key changes include more accountability, more transparency, alignment across the EU, more rights to the individuals, and harsher penalties. The penalties are not just from fines and/or compensation claims, but also to your reputation. The GDPR is principle-based, therefore there is no instruction manual that tells you exactly what to do. It is not a checklist or tick box exercise, and there is no certificate of compliance. You need to make considered, balanced, and justified decisions and be able to demonstrate why. Now that we have established what the GDPR is, let's bust some common myths. GDPR is radical change. False. It is not radical change, it is an evolution of the current law. GDPR is negated by Brexit. False. In order to continue to share personal data with Europe, countries must have an adequacy rating. This is covered by the Data Protection Bill, which mirrors and elaborates on the GDPR. GDPR means fines, fines, fines. False. The ICO has said that this is unlikely to be the case. There is no army of regulators waiting to spring into action from May 26, 2018. Data protection is about security. False. It is about being able to demonstrate that you recognise the importance of personal information. It is about fairness, rights of the individual, and quality of service rather than purely about information security. GDPR is all about customers. False. Direct marketing and customers are part of the GDPR, but don't forget about your workforce. GDPR is just updating policies. False. The paperwork must match reality, and one size fits none. You must understand why you are collecting, the lawful basis for processing, and what you may use the information for in the future. GDPR is just buying a tool. False. GDPR is about process, culture, and systems. GDPR is about data ownership. False. It is about individuals' rights and organisations' obligations. So what can you do to prepare? You should increase organisational awareness and understanding. Then use this understanding to review policies, procedures, and organisational data protection culture. And finally, start making changes. What you should not do is wait for magic answers from the regulator, obsess over technicalities, or leave it all to one person or the data protection officer. At Protecture, we equip organisations with the expertise and tools to enable them to make balanced and justified decisions and to embed organisational-wide data protection culture. For more information, call us on 0203 691 5731.